You got the touch. You got the power.
Arise, Rodimus Prime.
Optimus.
Rod and Spill here, and today I thought I'd show you the new Transformers CYBERVERSE figures that are coming out. These will be in 4 different classes, and the first class you can see here is the Scout class, where you will have Bumblebee, Megatron, Grimlock, and Starscream. These will retail for about $8 each. The next class is the Warrior class here, and you have Starscream, Shockwave, Optimus Prime, and Bumblebee. Now the next step up is the Ultra class, and these will retail for about $20. And here you have Grimlock and Ultra class Bumblebee. Finally, you have the Ultimate class. These will retail for about $30, and there is going to be Optimus Prime and Megatron. And you can see here how all 4 line up, small to large. These are coming out in 2018, and as soon as we get them, we're going to do the reviews on them. Rod and Spill, signing off.